Welcome to our SI English Stories channel. Are you looking to improve your English language skills while enjoying captivating stories? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to sharing engaging stories in English, designed to help you on your language learning journey. Why choose English stories? Numerous studies have shown that listening to stories can be a highly effective method for language acquisition. Here's why. Engagement. Stories grab your attention and keep you engaged, making language learning enjoyable and immersive. Vocabulary. Exposure to diverse vocabulary and context helps expand your word bank. Listening skills. Storytelling enhances your listening comprehension, a crucial skill in language learning. Speaking practice. Repeating or discussing story elements can improve your spoken English. Cultural insight. Stories often convey cultural nuances and idiomatic expressions, enriching your language understanding. Academic support. Numerous academic studies have demonstrated that story-based language learning is effective in improving proficiency. So, whether you're a beginner looking to build your language foundation or an advanced learner aiming to refine your skills, join us for a journey through the world of English storytelling. Let's learn, grow, and explore together. Don't forget to follow and turn on notifications to never miss a story.